If you want to create AI videos that look cinematic and professional, this tutorial will show you how to use Higgsfield AI, even if you are a complete beginner. AI video tools are changing how creators make content, ads, and social media videos. Tools like Higgsfield AI, Runway Gen 3, Pika Labs, and Google Flow are making video creation easier. But many beginners feel confused when they first see AI video tools.
They see complex interfaces like this and don't know where to start.
Today, I'll show you how to simplify this process. They think it requires advanced editing skills or expensive software. AI makes it simple. Tools like Premiere Pro, Final Cut, and After Effects are now accessible to everyone. But Higgsfield AI simplifies the entire process. You just type a simple prompt like generate a cinematic video of a serene mountain landscape at sunrise, and it generates a high-quality video for you, just like that. Step 1 is creating your account on Higgsfield AI. Go to the website and fill in your email and a secure password. Then, just click sign up. It's that simple. Step 2 is writing a clear prompt describing the video you want to generate. For example, you could use a tool like ChatGPT to help you craft it. Then you can use that prompt with an AI tool like Higgsfield AI. The better your prompt, the better your video results will be. Watch how a simple prompt transforms into this cinematic landscape. Tools like Higgsfield AI and Midjourney can make this easy. Next, choose the video style or model inside the Higgsfield interface. Here you can see different options like realistic, anime, cinematic, and neon, then your pre-product. Then click generate and let the AI create your video. In just a few seconds, Higgsfield AI finishes rendering your video. What started as a simple text prompt is now a cinematic scene ready to use for YouTube, ads, or social media. But creating the video is only the first step. To make your content look even more professional, you can combine Higgsfield AI with other powerful AI tools. For example, you can export your video and edit it in tools like CapCut or Premiere to add music, captions, transitions, or color grading. Let's see how that works in the software. So the whole process is surprisingly simple. Write a clear prompt, generate the video using Higgsfield AI, and enhance it using editing tools. With tools like Higgsfield AI, anyone can create cinematic videos, even without advanced editing skills or expensive equipment. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to get started with these amazing AI tools in a simple, beginner-friendly way. We'll cover the pay if you want. You can also check the description below where I've shared links to the tools used in this tutorial. If you want to learn more simple AI tools that help you create videos faster, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.